crispy potato gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
No, gnocchi?
He doesn't know how to say it.
I always screw that up.
Okay, that's...
Hi everybody, it's the Kellys. Tonight's gonna be a little different than what you're used to from the how-tos and all the vacation footage. We're gonna be doing a cooking class tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna do with Sur La Table here locally in our hometown of Troy, Michigan. It's date night, and the night is Taste of Tuscany, I believe.
Ooh.
Which is cool. We are doing an Italian trip next year in April. It's a Mediterranean cruise, and we want to do a cooking class while we're there. So we won't be in the Tuscany region, unfortunately. It's one of my favorite regions, but we do get to do it tonight.
So we'll see. I'll probably end up with powder and stuff all over myself and things like that, but
his nickname in high school was Magoo. He's very accident prone, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, I mean, a date night is super important to us. As you guys know, we're not world nomads. We do balance travel with everyday life. And yeah, we're still, we're newlyweds and we work opposite schedules. So when we do have the day off together, like today, we make sure to spend every minute with quality time. Even the nap we took today.
yeah, quality. It was a good nap today. Solid.
So let's check it out. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you don't embarrass yourself too much.
Oh God.
We'll see. We were very early, so I went makeup shopping. I got some Dior lipstick, but I don't have it on yet. Now I put it on.
Take a look. Bon appetit. Good job, babe. It was supposed to be more circular, and I didn't make it very circular. It's scusi.
So we could use as much sugar as we want, so we're gonna use all of it.
We're barely into this, and here I am already. Already messy. We're making the gnocchi now, which I have no clue how to say unless I hear it.
So it's a little pot for your sauce.
They look like little worms. We're done with the gnocchi, and now they're going to pan fry it to make it crispy. And we're moving on to something else. maybe the chicken. Quarter-inch slices. Yeah.
Yes, you're
Little thinner, little thinner. Is he gonna cut off his hand?
Things I learned tonight is Lauren's very good with the knife, so if I die, it's with the knife. She is the one who did it. Next part, Lauren's gonna cut up an onion, and she almost always cries, so this should be funny. Oh, is she crying? No tears.
I didn't cry, but we're gonna move on to the meat part. And Brian's an expert at that. So he's gonna handle the meat while I handle the phone.
Hopefully I don't poison anybody.
Three to 4 minutes on each side. And she just said leave it alone. It needs to be a little brown.
Needs to be brown. So one of the cool things, if you guys saw me doing the black pepper, was that was invented by a guy whose wife had arthritis in her hand and she couldn't shake out the black pepper anymore. And so that's why he invented it. So that's kind of cool.
I kind of want one.
I do too. It was pretty easy to use. I liked it.
I don't really like olives, so we're gonna make them really small.
our broccoli.
For onions, let's see. She still keeps from crying.
Not all of it.
Oh, no. That's definitely anchovy.
So pretty. Now we have to try it.
I'm really excited. I think it looks really good and tasty, and it was made with a lot of love.
We'll see about the pie though. The pie looked pretty hit.
Maybe a whole.
So good?
Mm-hmm.
Try the gnocchi.
I did.
One of the best chefs ever. Let's reveal our pie. So, not that bad.
Could be worse.
Okay. We're in the mall all by ourselves.
All by ourselves.
So we did really well. I'm very full. We're bringing the pie home so Nolan can have some. Definitely recommend it.
It's a good time.
And I think it would even be a really fun girls' night too. Of course, we did it for a date night, but a really fun girls' night would be for sure.
And for you at home who might not know, you also partner up with the group next to you too. So just so you have an idea.
Yeah, you do it in like a foursome, which we didn't really know, but it was fine. You know, it's just kind of weird with COVID though. Like our partners were wearing their masks, and you know, you're chopping stuff up and then you're touching it with your hands, and we were filming, and so they might have been a little nervous about it, but it was fine. I would definitely like to see if we brought a group of 3, if they would still make us partner up or not. That would be, you know, I'd really love not to have to partner up. They also do private events,
Yeah.
which would be interesting if you wanted to have like a group of people. So, all right, we are headed home.
We're trying to.
How do we get out? We just had to unlock the door. We're not trapped in the mall anymore. But yeah, it was a good night. We liked it. We are the most excellent chefs.
Would do it again. Do recommend.
Yeah!
You know? You know? You know? You know?
Yogi.
No, you know.
He doesn't know.